Hi, this is Manchester 2017. I'm Nathan Ray, and we've got here Team JCC Games. Is that right?
Yeah.
Yeah. And what's your name? Where are you from?
I'm Corey Mills, and we live in Manchester, and we're representing our college.
Yeah.
The UTC at BDC.
I'm James.
Yeah.
Same again, representing college.
Yeah. And you are?
Charlie, same again.
Yeah, so you're a student team then, mate.
Yeah.
Thing. So, and what you working on, and what's the concept of your game?
So we've got we're working on the theme of the shaping the future.
Yeah.
So we've came up with the idea of having to be actually you're gonna have like how to explain. You're going to be your player, and you're going to be like a lab scientist. And you're going to be in this lab, and your task is to create this new robot.
Yeah.
And this robot's going to be you're going to have like bits on the side, so you're going to have like arms of robots, and you have to like chuck it
at the robot.
At the robot, and and whatever type of arm you're going to have on you, it's going to place it on the robot.
Yeah.
But then there's a special twist, whatever like you put on it. So say you put a flamethrower on it, which is like one of the hardest things to go against, it'll actually do a twist of, it'll actually come and get you then.
Oh, right, excellent. So he starts attacking you.
Yeah, so you have to, secretly you have to know that straight away you've got to put the easiest type of arm on.
That's good. And what are you working on yourself here?
So at the moment I'm just trying to get trying to get it from start to finish. So I'm just working through the menu,
right? Okay.
And trying to load up the scenes in order and
get it all loaded up and stuff. Yeah. And James, wasn't it? Yeah.
Yeah, Corey.
Oh, Corey. Here's James. Yeah, Corey. And what are you working on here?
Well, I've just finished doing the procedural levels, which will make it so that it'll constantly keep spawning more levels, so you can't keep going, and then once you get to a certain point it'll give you the final level.
Yeah.
So I've just done that, and now I'm on just trying to add little tweaks to the player so that is a bit more, so he has a couple more features, so like sprint and stuff like that.
Oh, different movements and things like that. Yeah. Excellent. And what are you building this thing in?
We're building it in the Unity game engine.
Sure.
And Charlie is using Blender and GIMP to make the assets.
Yeah. Okay. So let's take a look at what you're doing over here. You've got a lot of equipment here, guys. I'll give you that much. Oh, this is just these are all the 3D models, then, are they in Blender?
These are the assets that we've currently made for the.
And you've been able to get them from Blender into Unity, okay, and things, have you?
Yeah, the workflow's been fairly easy. So yeah, it's been quite straightforward. I mean, like currently I'm trying to UV map some stairs.
Sure.
Working alright, yeah.
That's working.
Yeah.
Good. Excellent. And what about sound? Is anyone going to be doing sound in this game, or?
We've been doing bits of sound every so often. We're using some online tools because we don't have any full-blown software, but we're getting there.
You've not got Logic Pro loaded up?
No, unfortunately
none of us are really audio engineers, so we haven't really done that because we all have we all have done the interactive media and gaming BTEC, so we all know how to like 3D model and like create assets like that, and then also program.
Sure.
So that's really the strong point, and then everything else is kind of last minute type.
Yeah. You're working on your strengths now for that.
Yeah.
For that. And like the last 3 hours, you'll add a lot more polish and stuff.
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah.
And have you run into any problems and things so far, or has it been?
We had a big issue before. Our main robot, he didn't like having new arms, let's just say. So we were trying to chuck arms at him, and he just refused. Fire was coming out from everywhere. It was going crazy.
It was quite a spectacular fail then, wasn't it?
It was, but luckily we fixed that in the end. But
yeah. Excellent. Have you had any help from any of the judges or any of the people here?
I haven't spoken to many of the judges about like actually helping, but programmer over there did help me with using the list data type in the program, so
sure.
he helped a little. And
so you're helping each other out then?
Yeah.
The team and stuff.
Yes.
Excellent. Thank you very much.
All right.
I'll see you later, guys.
See you.